Welcome back to On the Clock Tips and Tricks. So one of the most common questions that we get is how do I edit my employees' time cards? So for example, let's say an employee forgot to punch in, maybe they forgot to punch out, or maybe they punched in or out at the wrong time. We're going to show you in this next video just how easy it is to make these edits in a web browser with On the Clock. Stay tuned and we'll show you how you can do it in just a few clicks.
In this video, I am going to show you how to manage your time cards from a web browser. So you'll want to go ahead and navigate to the time cards icon. And if you wanted to add multiple days or just a single day, you're going to use these two buttons right here. If you wanted to add multiple days for an employee, go ahead and select the employee and then enter the number of hours in that field. Go ahead and press save. You'll see that the time cards have been added. And if you wanted to just do one single day, go ahead and hit add day, choose the date and the employee, and then you can go ahead and enter in the total number of hours here in the override hours section. So for example, I could do 8, or alternatively, I can go ahead and click this add punch button and I can enter in the exact in and out times that this employee worked. Press save, and you'll see that the total number of hours have been logged for this employee. If you have any other questions, feel free to live chat with us, or if you'd like to send us an email to support@ontheclock.com, we would be happy to help.